Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer, and spiritual teacher. Today we will explore QiGong routines specifically designed to cultivate self-love. So what is QiGong? QiGong is an ancient Chinese practice that combines gentle movements, breath control, and meditation to enhance the flow of energy in our body. Energy is Qi. So this routine will help you connect with your inner self, promoting love, promoting compassion, and also acceptance. First of all, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can move freely. So, you need a quiet corner for yourself and wear loose, comfortable clothing so that you can freely move. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and arms relaxed at your sides. Take a deep breath, centering yourself and letting go of any distractions. Place your hands over your heart, one on top of the other. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling your chest expand. As you exhale, visualize any tension or negativity leaving your body and repeat for 3 breaths, focusing on opening your heart to self-love. As I breathe in, I fill my heart with love. As I breathe out, I release all negativity. As I breathe in, I fill my heart with love. As I breathe out, I release all negativity. Raise your arms to shoulder high, palms facing up, as if gathering energy from the air. Slowly bring your hands down in front of your body, visualizing the energy flowing into you. Repeat this movement few times, moving slowly and gracefully. I gather positive energy and fill myself with love and light. I gather positive energy and fill myself with love and light. I gather positive energy and fill myself with love and light. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Extend your arms in front of you as if hugging a large tree with fingers gently touching. Imagine the tree is filled with loving energy that you are embracing. Hold this position for 1, 2, or 3 minutes, as long as you wish, breathing deeply and steadily. I embrace myself with the same love and strength as this tree. Now place your right hand over your heart. Slowly extend your left arm out to the side, palm facing up, as if sending love outward. Bring your left arm back, placing your left hand over your heart. Repeat on the other side, alternating for 5 cycles on each side. Love flows freely from my heart to the world and back to me. Love flows freely from my heart to the world and back to me. Love flows freely from my heart to the world and back to me. Bring your hands together in front of your chest, palms touching, fingers pointing upward. Slowly open your hands, spreading your fingers apart as if a flower is blooming. Raise your open hands above your head, then bring them back together and lower them to your chest. Repeat this movement 5 times, visualizing a lotus flower opening with each cycle. I am a beautiful flower, opening to the love and light of the universe. I am a beautiful flower, opening to the love and light of the universe. Now stand with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Bend forward slightly, placing your hands on the ground. Visualize roots growing from your feet into the earth, drawing up nurturing energy, and slowly straighten up, bringing this energy into your heart. Repeat 3 times. I am grounded and nurtured by the earth, filled with love and strength. I am grounded and nurtured by the earth, filled with love and strength. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, arms relaxed at your sides. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Place your hands over your heart and bow your head slightly in gratitude. I thank myself for this moment of self-love and connection. I thank myself for this moment of self-love and connection. I thank myself for this moment of self-love and connection. Perfect. You have completed the QiGong routine for self-love. Take a moment to feel the warmth and energy within you, appreciating the love and compassion you have cultivated. Repeat this practice regularly to maintain a strong connection with your inner self and enhance your sense of self-love and well-being. And thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for your time. Have a lovely day. See you in the next episode.